So this is Leslie again here to give you a tour of something a little bit different and unique that we have here at Crocker Park. So here we are in a 1-bedroom suite. This is what we refer to as our 1B. This is a garage door style suite, and I guarantee you're not going to find anything like this in any other location in Northeast Ohio, let alone really in the country. So it's pretty cool, and I'm excited to show that to you. But first off, let's start here again in our kitchen. Our kitchens within every apartment within Crocker Park you're going to find are the same. So the style can change depending on if you're in a modern suite or a warehouse style suite. This here is the modern, so it's a gray color scheme. So you have gray cabinetry, you have the quartz cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and really that nice open gourmet style kitchen. So it leads to your open living, dining, and kitchen area space. So this really gives you a nice eat-in area along with your living room space here to open up your 1 bedroom. We have a courtyard view in this suite, so it's a rear facing into the courtyard of the backside of Crocker Park. We're going to pan around and show you the garage door. So I'm going to step on the inside and kind of open it up. So this on the other side of the wall here is our bedroom. So the great thing about this door is you can leave it closed or you can leave it open to kind of open up your space. Really unique. And here it is open. So this is your bedroom space, which nicely fits a queen size bed with 2 nightstands. You can also fit a king size within here with 2 nightstands as well as your dresser space. So it's really a nice size 1 bedroom or bedroom space. This connects over into your walk-in closet where you'll find your stackable washer and dryer. This is included within every unit. On the 5th floor suite, which is what we're in, you're going to get some nice custom cabinetry and that front-loading washer and dryer. This connects over into our bathroom. So we call this the Jack and Jill. So in our 1 bedrooms, you're going to find that the bathroom connects to your common area space as well as your bedroom. So that's why we refer to it as a Jack and Jill bathroom. You do, in the 5th floor, get a tiled shower instead of the tub with a nice granite seat to sit in and a glass door. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the 1 bedroom garage door suite. This is a modern 5th floor unit. It also has nice soaring 10-foot ceilings. So it really opens up this space. If you'd be interested in a virtual tour or to check out our current availability, please reach out and we'd be happy to do that for you.